Don't press that button.
No joke, players. Do this. This guy's got a clean slate. He just fucked up though. Marty's gonna have to blast him. Damn. It's pretty far, Charlie.
Now this, nice piece of machine, man. Load it. And fire away.
Shit. Cats are getting me, man. Cats are getting me. Ah, shit. Damn. Let's see how this dude did. Let's see. Look at that shit.
Pretty good shot for a beginner.
That shit, bam. Fucked his ass up. How was it, G? How was it?
Gave me a hard on. Look at that one right there. Now that.
Which one? This one? Oh, shoot.
Oh, it's crazy, man.